Good morning, class. In the last lecture, we have studied standard deviation and variance. Now, in this lecture, we are solving some problems and some based on standard deviation and variance. Let's start the sums. First, find the variance and coefficient of variance of the following data, or calculate the standard deviation for following distribution. Both the question are same. Find the variance and coefficient of variance, and here calculate standard deviation for all for following distribution. Now in this one, find the variance and coefficient of variance, and here calculate standard deviation of this distribution. So class interval and frequency both are given. So given data is a group frequency distribution. This is a group frequency distribution. Now we want standard deviation, means standard deviation of group data, that is SD in a root summation of fi di square divided by summation of fi. We know that where di is equal to xi minus x bar. X bar is a mean. Now put the value of class interval and frequency. Here class interval and here frequency, that is 3, 5, 9, that are given. Now xi is a mid value of class interval. We know that how to find mid value, that is 0 plus 5 divided by 2, so 2.5. 10 plus 5 means 5 plus 10 divided by 2, so 7.5. Both addition and divided by 2. Here also both addition divided by 2. Last one 25 plus 30 divided by 2, so they give 27.5. And 30 plus 35 divided by 2, so they give 32.5. 35 plus 40 divided by 2, so 37.5. This is a mid value. Now this one we finding x bar means mean, summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. So fi and xi, so fi multiplied by xi, so 3 multiplied by 25, so 7.5, and 5 multiplied by 7.5, 37.5. 9 multiplied by 12.5, so 112.5. 15 multiplied by 17.5, so 262.5. 20 multiplied by 22.5, so 450.5. 16 multiplied by 27.5, so 440.5. Here 10 multiplied by 32.5, so 325.0. and 2 multiplied by 37.5, so 75.0. Now take summation, means addition. 7.5 plus 37.5, 112 plus 5, 262.5 plus 450 plus 440 plus 325 plus 75, they give 1710. And also summation of fi, so 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 15 plus 20 plus 16 plus 10 plus 2 means that is 80. Summation of fi, that is 80. So mean x bar is equal to summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi, so 1710 divided by 18, so they gives 21.37. mean x bar is equal to 21.37. Now we want di square. We know that di means xi minus x bar. Now we are finding x bar. So now xi minus x bar. So xi means 2.5 minus x bar. So here x bar is 21.37. So now 5 minus 7.5 minus 21.21. 37. So they give these 12.5 minus 21 and 17.5 minus 21. Here also 22.5 minus 21.37. They use 1.13. 27.5 minus 21.37. They give 6.17. And here 32.5 minus 21.37. They give 11.13. And 37.5 minus 21.37, so gives 16.13. So this is the value of di. Now we want di square. So take square, so they get positive. Here also take square, so they get positive. Here also square, positive. Here also minus, but we take square, so get positive value. Here 1.13 square, 1.28, 6.13 square, 37.57. Here 11.13 square means 123.88 and 16.30, so 260.18. That is a square, means di square. Here we want fi multiplied by di square. Fi multiplied by these, so fi di square. So 3 multiplied by 356.8, so that gives 1068.24. 5 multiplied by 192.38, so 961.9. 9 multiplied by 78.68, so that gives 708.12. 15 multiplied by 14.98, so that gives 224.7. 20 multiplied by 1.28, so that gives 25.6. 16 multiplied by 37.28, so 601.28. Now 10 multiplied by 123.88, so 1238. So here 2 multiplied by 260.80, so they use 520 plus 0.36. Now addition of these and whole, so summation of fi di square, so they gives 5349, and we know that summation of fi is 80. So standard deviation in square root summation of fi di square divided by summation of fi, so 5349 divided by 80, so 8.80. It is a standard deviation. So standard deviation means sigma is equal to 8.18. It is a standard deviation. 8.18. Now variance, we know that variance is equal to standard square. Standard deviation square means HD square. Here standard deviation is 8.18, so 8.18 square, so 66.91. Variance is a 66.91. Also find the coefficient of variance. We know that coefficient of variance means sigma divided by mean means x bar. So sigma is a 8.18 and mean means x bar is a 21.37 multiplied by 100. So coefficient of variance is 38.28%. Coefficient of variance is 38.28 and variance is 66.92 and standard deviation is 8.18. Once again, calculate mean and standard deviation of the following data and find variance and coefficient of variance of following data. Here mean and standard deviation and variance and coefficient of variance. This is the data. Frequency are given 40, 23, 27, 21 and 15. Given data is a group data, means group frequency distribution. It is a group frequency distribution because of 0, 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. We know that finding mean and standard deviation. So mean is summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi, and standard deviation is under root summation of fi di square divided by summation of fi. We know that di is a xi minus x bar. Class interval that is given, and xi is the midpoint of class interval. 0 plus 10 divided by 2 5, 10 plus 20 divided by 2 so 15, 20 plus 30 divided by 2 25, 30 plus 40 divided by 2 35, 40 plus 50 divided by 2 that is 45. And here fi is the frequency that is a given, 40, 23, 37, 21 and 15 that is a given. Now fi multiplied by xi, so 5 multiplied by 14 that is 70, 15 multiplied by 23 so 345, 25 multiplied by 27 675, 35 multiplied by 21 so 700, 35, 45 multiplied by 15 so 675, and sum of these all, so 70 plus 345, 675, 735 and 675, so they give 2500, and sum of all frequency, so they gives 100. Now easy to find mean, that is x bar is equal to summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. Summation of fi x by, that is a 2500 and divided by 100, so they give here 0 get cancelled, so 25. Mean x bar is equal to 25. Now to find the standard deviation, so find first di, so xi minus x bar means 25, so 5 minus 25 20, 15 minus 25 minus 10, 25 minus 25 0, 35 minus 25 10, 45 minus 25 20, so this is a di. Now we want di square, so 20 minus 20 square that is a plus 400, 10 square 100, 0 square that is 0, 10 square is 100 and 20 square is 400. If multiply by di square, so 14 multiplied by 400 to give 5600. Now here also same, 23 multiplied by 100, 27 multiplied by 0, 21 multiplied by 100 and 15 multiplied by 400, so they give 5600, 2300 0 because of multiply by 0, 2100 and here 6000. Sum of all of these, so they give 16,000. Summation of fi di square, that is 16,000, and summation of fi is 100. So standard deviation in under root summation of fi di square divided by summation of fi, that is 6000 divided by 100, so they give in under root 160, that is value of 12.65. so standard deviation sigma, that is 12.65. Now variance means we know that variance is equal to standard deviation square, so 12.65 square is equal to 160.02, variance is 160.02, and coefficient of variance we know that sigma divided by x bar means multiplied by 100, so 12.65 multiplied by divided by 25 multiplied by 100, so 50.6%. Coefficient of variance is equal to 50.6%. Find the standard deviation of the following data. Calculate mean and variance of the following distribution. Here also same, find standard deviation and mean and variance. Here class interval this and frequency this. So given data is a group frequency distribution. Now class interval this, xi is the midpoint of this, fi is the frequency that is given. Now multiply by this one, xi multiplied by fi means fi multiplied by xi. We know that midpoint means xi, 0 plus 10 divided by 2 5, here also same, add and divided by 2, so that gives midpoint means mean value of class interval, that is xi. So 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45, that is the mid value of class interval xi. Now fi multiplied by xi, 3 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 15, 8 multiplied by 25, 3 multiplied by 35 and 1 multiplied by 45. 15, 75, 200, 105 and 45, that is the value of fi multiplied by xi. Now summation of fi, that is 200, and summation of fi multiplied by xi, that is 440. Di is the xi minus x bar. So first find x bar, that is summation of fi multiplied by xi divided by summation of fi is equal to 400 divided by 20, that is 22. So mean is x bar is equal to 22. Now finding standard deviation. So first di, so xi minus 22, so 5 minus 22, so minus 17, 15 minus 22, 25 minus 22 and 35 minus 22 and 45 minus 22. So they give minus 7, 3, 13 and 23 and take square. So they give 289, 49, 9, 169 and 529, that is the square of di. Now multiply by fi. So 3 multiplied by 289, 5 multiplied by 49, 8 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 169 and 1 multiplied by 529. So they give this value 867, 245, 72, 500 means 507, 529 and take all summation means 867 plus 245, 72 plus 507 plus 529. So this 2220. Now easy to find standard deviation. Summation of fi di square divided by summation of fi. So 2220 divided by 20. So standard deviation is a 10.53. We know that variance is equal to standard deviation square. So 10.53 square is 110.88. Variance is 110.88. This is the variance. हमको इतना फाइंड करना था, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन एंड वेरिएंस. नाउ फाइंड द स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डाटा. ये बहुत इजी है, ओनली फाइंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. बट हियर देखो हमने जो सम किए थे उनमें क्या था, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, इनमें डिफरेंस 10 का था, अभी 20 का है. 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. So this is also group data. The given data is a group frequency distribution. So same here, standard deviation is equal to in under root summation of fi di square divided by summation of fi. Here di is the xi minus x bar, mean summation of fi x bar divided by summation of fi. So we write class interval and x bar is the middle value of class interval. Only that how to write 0 plus 20 divided by 2, 10, 20 plus 40 divided by 2, 30, 40 plus 60 divided by 2, 50, 60 plus 80 divided by 2, 70, 80 plus 100 divided by 2, it is a 90. This is the mid value of class interval xi, xi. And fi is the frequency, that is the given. So now fi multiplied by 20, so fi multiplied by xi, so 200. Now this multiplied by 70 multiplied by 70 and 60 multiplied by 90, 200, 3900, 11,000, 4,900, 5,400, and this is the total, means here summation of fi, and this is the summation of fi xi. Summation of fi xi is the 25,400 and summation of xi is the 500. So now find the mean. The summation of fi xi is the 25,400 divided by 500, that is 50.8. Here 8, so we can write similarly 50.8 means 51. So mean is a 51. So we know that di is the xi minus x bar means that is 51. So So 10 minus 51 minus 41, 30 minus 51 minus 21, 50 minus 51 minus 1, 70 minus 51, 19, and 90 minus 51, 39. Now take square of all of these. So 1681, 441, 1, 361, 1521. Now multiply by xi, apply fi, multiply by di square. So 20 multiply by 1681. Here also same, multiply by these and these. So they give these and these value: 33,620, 37,330, 220, 25,000, 270, 91,260. That is a 207700. Sum of all of these. Now we want to find standard deviation. We write here summation of fi di square 207700 divided by 500 means 500. So value of standard deviation is 20.38. Standard deviation is 20.38. We can also write 20.4 because of here 8 is greater than 5, so we can increase next value, increase by 1, so 20.4. This is the standard deviation. Next example, which is also same. Find variance and coefficient of variance of the following data. Class interval and frequency are given. So same class, this is the class interval and this is the mid value of this one. We know that 0 plus 30 divided by 2, so 50 here, so plus and divided by 2, so gives mid value, that is xi, and fi is the given here. 15 multiplied by 9, so they give, so multiply by all, so they give this one. And then sum of frequency means 9 plus 17 plus 45 plus 18 plus 81 44, so they give 300. And here also all addition, so summation of fi xi, so 35,610. Now find the mean. Mean is the x bar, so 35,610 multiplied by 300, so 118 point means 118.7. अगर हमने 15 माइनस 100 किया तो बहुत माइनस जाएगा, सो हम अनदर फार्मूला यूज करेंगे, दैट इज दिस स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन अंडर रूट समेशन ऑफ एफ आई एक्स आई स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय एन एंड माइनस समेशन ऑफ एफ आई एक्स आई डिवाइडेड बाय एन होल स्क्वायर. तो हम ये यूज करेंगे. सो फाइंडिंग फर्स्ट एक्स आई स्क्वायर एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस. So finding xi square, so 15 square, 45 square, 75 square, 105 square, 135 square, 165 square, so that is the square of xi and multiply by fi. So fi multiply by these, same, so they give this value, all of these, and sum of this one 2000, 34,000, 24, 9, so they give this value. Now put in this one, here n is the summation of fi, that is 300. N is the summation of fi, that is 300. So this is the value of this we put here, and fi xi is 35,610 here, and whole square, and n is the summation of fi, so 300, that is value is 42.51. standard deviation is of 42.51. and find the variance. So standard deviation square, so 42.51 square, that is 1807.10 is the variance. Now variance, coefficient of variance is sigma divided by x bar multiplied by 100. So sigma is a 42.51 divided by 118.7 multiplied by 10. So coefficient of variance is 35.81%. It is the coefficient of variance, and variance is 1807.10 and standard deviation is 42.51. Calculate the standard deviation and coefficient of variance of the following data. ये हमने इस टाइप का हमने किया हुआ है. और find variance and coefficient of variance of the following data, same, but here 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, 85 to 95, 95 to 105, 105 to 150, 150 to 125. So this is a class interval and this is a frequency. So we have coefficient of variance is standard deviation divided by n multiplied by 100, where means is the summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi, and standard deviation is summation of fi di square divided by summation of fi. This is a class interval that is a given. Now 55 plus 65 divided by 2, so this is the mid value of class interval. All add and divided by 2, so they give this one, this is the mid value, and frequency are given. Now 60 multiplied by 10, 600, 70 multiplied by 12, 80 multiplied by 15, 90 multiplied by 20, 100 multiplied by 40, and 110 multiplied by 7, and 120 multiplied by 2. You go to fi multiplied by xi. Now using this formula, so di means xi minus x bar. So first finding x bar, so summation of all of this and summation of fi, this is 80 and 6850. So put the value of this, so 6850 divided by 80, so 85.8. So now xi multiplied by 85.8, so 60 multiplied by 85.8, so minus 25, here 70 minus, so minus 50.6, so 80 minus 85, so minus 5, 90 minus 85.6, so that gives 4.4, and 100 multiplied by 85.6, so 40.4, and 110 minus 85.6, so 24.4, 120 minus 85.6, so give 34.4. Now take square, so minus minus plus, because of we take square of this, so they give this square, all of square, so give this value gives. Then fi multiply by this, so 10 multiply by this, 12 multiply by this, 15 multiply by this, and this, so give all of this value 6553.60, this also, and then we add all of this term, so give this one 19,768.8. so put in this one, so 19,768.8 divided by 80, it is the summation of fi. So standard deviation is a 15.72 and variance is a standard square, so 15.72 square means 247.11, that is a variance. Now coefficient of variance is standard deviation divided by means multiplied by 100, means sigma divided by x bar multiplied by 100, so 15.72 multiplied by divided by 85.6 multiplied by 100, so 18.36%. Coefficient of variance is 18.36. Calculate the standard deviation and coefficients of variance from the following observation table, which give rainfall in centimeter of 10 places, rainfall and number of places. There are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 100 places of these. So this is the class interval, and number of places means this is the frequency. So class interval and this is the frequency. find the mid value. 70 plus 80 divided by 2, so this 75. Here also same, add and divided by 2, add and divided by 2, add and divided by 2, so they gives mid value. Then we, and Fi is the frequency, these are given. Fi multiplied by Xi, so 6 multiplied by these and these, so they give this value. Now sum of Fi and sum of Fi Xi means summation of all of these and these, so 100, and summation of Fi Xi is 11,200. Now find the mean. So 11,200 divided by 100 means mean is 1020. Now here minus किया तो कुछ here also greater value, so we apply this formula. So di square is equal to xi minus x bar then whole square because of di square. Now 75 minus 112 and whole square minus and whole square, so they can plus, here also minus minus minus, and here also they are plus because of square, and here plus. So here xi means this minus x bar and take whole square, so gives this value. इधर हमने एक स्टेप नहीं लिखा, डायरेक्ट स्क्वायर कर दिया. देन if I multiply by these, 6 multiply by 7 multiply by 12 multiply by this, 19 multiply by this, these and these and these, so they give this value, and take summation of all of these. So summation of Fi di square is 33,300. So put here Fi di square divided by Fi, so 33,300 divided by 100 means 18.25. Standard deviation is 18.25. Now variance, coefficients of variance is standard deviation divided by mean. Here mean is 112 and standard deviation is 18. So put sigma divided by x bar multiplied by 100, so 18.25 divided by 112 multiplied by 100, so 16.29. Coefficient of variance is 16.29 and standard deviation is 18.25. तो इस टाइप के सम रहेंगे, तो बहुत प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा तभी हम फास्ट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी आर स्टॉप हियर.